Hey guys, it's Brian back again here with Hostirian, and today's topic is how to lower your traditional marketing cost using social media. Now, I've had a few people that I've talked to about this very topic, and they said they were running ads, they were spending quite a bit of money on ads, and they were just confused on why the ads weren't working. So what we did was that we reviewed their online presence, and let me tell you what has changed. Now, with how the world works, it's not the same way when it comes to marketing. Back in the day, and I know I'm a young guy, but back in the day, when you used to see an ad on TV or an ad in a paper or something, you would just like go right over to that company and go check them out, right? And when you bought it, you'd hope that it met your expectations. That's back in the day. That's pre-internet. Okay? So now with the internet, what changes now with marketing is that when you see an ad, you just don't go right over there and buy it. You go to their website, right? You go to their Google My Business page, you go to their social media, you see how many likes and followers they have, how often they post. You read reviews and see if their product or service didn't meet the expectations of the people that bought it. And the people that it didn't help, what happens then, right? So it's completely changed how we market. Okay, so you have to understand that. That's key, okay? So with that being said, don't forget that the traditional ways of marketing, they still work, right? The challenge with them is that it becomes very expensive. And if you are a business that, struggling, or you're just now starting off, you got to be really conscientious about where you spend your dollars to make sure that it impacts you the best. Okay, so I can teach you how to use social media to help your marketing dollars stretch further along and have more effectiveness in it. So, a few different ways. One, you have to be on social media. Okay, so you have to have your account set up. Two, you have to be posting. Okay, so you can't just post one time a week. You need multiple times a week, at minimum three, and in best case scenario, a couple times a day. 2 or 3 times a day is really good. And then 3 is that you want to make sure that you're actually providing value, so you're helping people, okay? So that means that you're solving problems that either you've had, customers have had, customers that, or before they were customers, they came to you and you fixed the problem, things like that, okay? So let me tell you what that does for you, okay, in return. That's the key. You got to start that part off. So in return, what happens is that you reinforce your connections. So people that did like your Facebook page, they're loving it, right? So now they're getting more likes, you're getting more comments, you're even getting shares, which increases the probability that you can go viral, which is the next part you get out of it. You spread the word. It helps you create a buzz about your business, about your product, about your service, about how you helped someone overcome something that they were struggling with. The other thing that it does is that it gives you an opportunity to we already talked about how it connects people, but it gives you the opportunity to have other engage in your audience and have them talk about you. So if they tag you or you tag them, right, you're kind of like forcing and driving that conversation, and you're putting it online for the world to see, right? So it increases your exposure. So it basically does a lot of really powerful stuff here for you. And then when you do run that marketing ad, you won't have to spend as much money because you're already generating a little bit of buzz. And for the people that do, when you do run ads and people do get that awareness and they want to know about your business, now they're looking at all this interaction and how fun you are and how you're human, right? You're not just like a number, or you're not just like trying to treat someone like a number. You're connecting with people, and people get to see that. And that's going to increase the probability that they want to give you a call and check out your product, okay? So what I have here for you guys is a social marketing tool to help you be consistent, help you find value, okay? And then also help you be able to do this automatically, okay? And I have this for you. All you have to do is jump on my calendar, and I will set you up with your trial. I'll teach you how to use it, and I'll kind of walk you through, and I will help you lower your traditional marketing cost, okay? Talk to you guys soon.